Hi all, my name is Bhargav Yagnik and welcome to the SciTech Forum 2020. Today I am going to present our research work on materials for aerospace applications, machine learning methods for titanium alloy classification. So I'll go through the contents of the slide. Uh, Today I'll be talking about the how titanium alloys are important to us and how we can employ artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to classify them from pure metals. Then I'll talk about the methods that we employed for the same and how what experimental results that we obtained from the methods that we employed. And lastly, I'll talk about the significance of our results and how they can be used for future work. So titanium and its alloys are most used for aerospace applications as titanium is very light and it has a strength to weight ratio and a density of 4.5 grams per centimeter cube. Titanium has an exceptional corrosion resistance and it is used for making airframe, engine, helicopter, track beams, exhaust, tail cones, aeroplane ducts, and many aerospace applications. And traditional methods for discovering new alloys or classifying them are very time consuming and inefficient, so we thought of implementing artificial intelligence and reducing the time consumption part and improve on the accuracy as well as automate the processes. So combining AI based experiments and computer simulations can provide an approach to explore the material designs more economically. Our work attempts to use machine learning techniques in predicting the thermal properties of two component titanium alloys. The model predicts the thermal properties like D by temperature, thermal expansion, heat capacity, and thermal conductivity. The methods that we employed were firstly we collected data. We collected data from a flow repository and it was of two component titanium alloys. A total of 112 samples were collected, of which 50 samples were of titanium alloys, while 62 samples were of pure metals. The thermal properties that we focused on were AGL by temperature, AGL heat capacity, AGL thermal conductivity, AGL thermal expansion, and space group. Then we applied machine learning algorithms like decision tree, random forest, support vector machines, and artificial neural network. That's also a multi-layer perceptron. Uh, the main task for the project was to classify thermal properties into two class labels, namely titanium alloys and pure metals. So the experimental results that we obtained are discussed now. So this can be the data visualization that we obtained. So this is a pair plot between all the thermal properties. Here you can see the AGLD by temperature plot. The red ones are the pure metals while the blue ones are the titanium alloys. So we can see there is a pure distinct classification uh, in the AGLD by temperature plot as well as the AGL specific heat capacity. So it can be easily observed that the heat capacity distribution is quite different for each of the following. So these are all the pair plots that we got for it, and this is mentioned in the paper also. uh, the main pair plots that I would like to show is the pair plot between the specific heat capacity and the thermal expansion, as these were the main classifying factor for each pure metal as well as titanium alloys. We can see that the distribution is quite different for both. The blue ones are the pure metals while red ones are the alloys. This is the thermal expansion distribution. Now the results. So around 12 samples were tested for the process, as there were around total of 112. We took 10% of the samples for testing it. of which three were pure metals, while 9 were from the titanium alloys. The result obtained were around, we got 100% accuracy for all decision tree, random forest, SVM, and ANN. So, the conclusion, the preliminary study conducted shows how machine learning is a promising approach and can be effectively used to find out the addition of titanium to pure metal. Also, the study was experimented by excluding some of the attributes, like we observed that by removing heat capacity, the accuracy reduces significantly, and hence it shows how important it is for classifying between titanium and pure metals. With addition to Ti to pure metals, the heat transfer and thermal expansion parameters alter significantly, and they can be used to identify similar metals that can be replaced instead of titanium to a certain extent in applications where thermal properties are focused. So this can provide alternative economic solutions, as titanium is quite expensive and we can use its alternative of pure metals that are much more cheaper. uh, Conclusion, experimenting with severe machine learning models, we got a bi-class classifier designed to classify the samples into titanium alloy or pure metal based on their thermal properties. The primary finding of the study was that thermal expansion and heat capacity parameters are significantly different in both the classes. This shows that addition of titanium to any metal significantly increases its thermal behavior, and specifically affecting the thermal expansion and heat capacity of the pure metal. Titanium plays a crucial role in generating the observed thermal characteristics in metal with which it forms the alloys. The future work includes understanding the importance of various thermal properties and identifying metal alloys which are similar with the titanium alloys, which can then be used for aerospace applications. Thank you for listening to me.